This just in, it's 12:25. If you are working on your lunch right now, you have 35 minutes till 1 o'clock if your break ends. But definitely a hot day. Heat advisories back again in the valley, another one, and that could continue the next couple days. Hot and sunny weather for the most part, very few clouds out there, and dry weather too, practically no rain chance. There might be tiny chances of a sea breeze shower late in the week, but we're talking small, like not enough to even get too excited about yet. Heat advisory for all the valley counties, even along the coastal areas this afternoon from now until 7 p.m. The heat advisory maybe up to about 112, maybe once in a while a little hotter than that, but everywhere in South Texas it's quite hot. It's very sunny. You notice there's barely any clouds, so all that extra sunshine really tacks on a couple more degrees of the temperatures. Highs today expected to be anywhere from near 100 in Harlingen, about 105 or maybe a little hotter in Starr County around Rio Grande City. 98 for a high expected in Brownsville today, and 91 at South Padre Island. The heat index again up around 112 or so. Now, of course, it's hot. Heat advisory in effect. You always want to, keep an eye on things if you are working outside. It gets pretty hot out there in the afternoon, and if you have any dizziness, muscle cramps, lack of sweating, even though you've been hot and sweating earlier, or rapid shallow breathing, you might be succumbing to some heat stroke condition. So kind of watch for that, because this is the hottest time of the year, and it's a very hot afternoon all around, not only here, but if you are traveling or working the next couple of days north of the valley too. Heat advisories cover much of South Texas. 100 degrees right now in Edinburg, 99 in Rio Grande City. A little hotter than it usually is this time of day. Remember even the last few days when we've had heat advisories, and even late last week in some cases, maybe the temperature was averaging about 95, 96 by then. So we're probably 3 or 4 degrees or so warmer at this point in the day than some of the days recently. So it feels hot out there with the humidity. The heat index right now, what it feels like when you factor this in, this is calculated for if you're standing in the shade, 112 in Brownsville, 108 in Raymondville, 107 in Rio Grande City, 105 in McAllen. So, of course, the usual heat safety tips: slow down out there, don't overexert yourself, don't go for that 5-mile run at 2 in the afternoon. Not a good idea. Wear light colored clothing. Do not wear this. Do not wear dark colors. If you wear dark colors compared to like a white shirt, I think you're probably adding about 20 or 30 degrees onto the temperature on the surface here of the shirt from when the sun's on it. That's how much hotter it can be. Drink plenty of water. Stay out of the direct sunlight here in the afternoon. Limit afternoon activity, and always check on the pets. Don't leave them outside. They don't want to be out there on this day if you don't want to be out there. Satellite and radar is looking pretty quiet. Satellite shows nothing but clear skies and sunshine around the area. No rain expected today because, well, there's barely any clouds. Future track does show breezy conditions and sunshine this afternoon through 4 p.m. and beyond. And breeze may gust up to about 30 miles per hour. Tonight, still a little breezy in the evening, but should die off later at night as low temperatures only get into the low 80s. And then tomorrow, more sunshine, pretty much a repeat of today, maybe a few little puffy clouds, but breezy, hot again, temperatures back up near 100 or so, and you could probably repeat that again on Wednesday. So today, sunny, breezy, heat advisory in effect. South-southeasterly winds may gust, like I said, up to about 30 miles per hour or so, but basically a hot, breezy day. And then tonight, down to 81 degrees. Still a moon out there much of the night. There is a meteor shower that peaks tonight. Fill you in on that again later on, but it will continue each night the rest of this week. But that moon adds a lot of light pollution the rest of the week as well. And the first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Staying hot near 101 today, tomorrow 100 on Wednesday, near about those numbers the rest of the week. It may cool off a couple degrees by the weekend. Some of the models show maybe a little more moisture in the air and a few more clouds. Could maybe knock 1 or 2 degrees off the temperatures. So it might be a cool 99 instead of 101. And one of those days, Saturday and Sunday, with enough moisture, there might be a random afternoon sea breeze shower somewhere. But I think even then, chances of rain are less than 10%. So basically, hot and dry is the rule for a while. We'll keep you updated on the heat advisories here on Channel 5 News at noon.